How to rename friends on Discord. If any day you would like to rename your friend on Discord or put a very fancy name to your friend or a very beautiful name to your friend but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Discord application on your mobile device. In order to do that, you can go to the search section on your mobile device and search Discord out there, and this way you can launch the very Discord application, or otherwise you can manually search the Discord application on your mobile device by scrolling as well. After you scroll until you find the Discord application, you have to tap on the very Discord application. And after you tap on the Discord application, your Discord application will be launched. Now you have to go to the very message section out there and tap on the very friend whose name you would like to change. And after that, you have to tap on the very profile section like this of your friend or the very dots like this. And when you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the three dots on the top like this. This is one of the way. Otherwise, on the down, you can tap on the very friend like this once again, and you can see the three dots on the top like this. And when you see the three dots on the top, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of add the friend nickname and tap on add the friend nickname. Now after you go to the option of add the friend nickname, you can write any of the nickname to your friend, and after you write the very nickname to your friend, any of the name you like, you can go to the option of save, and this way you can add a new nickname to your friend and change the name of your friend on the Discord. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.